Life with my dogs.
When the weather gets chilly or your dog just needs a little comfort, a warm bowl of soup can be the perfect treat. But not all soups are safe for dogs, so today, we're sharing 5 vet-approved soups and broths that are both healthy and delicious. Number 1. Chicken bone broth. This is the gold standard for dog soups. It's packed with collagen, amino acids, and minerals that support joint health, digestion, and hydration. To make it, simmer chicken bones with a bit of apple cider vinegar for several hours. Avoid onions, garlic, or excess salt, those can be harmful to dogs. Number 2. Vegetable broth. Perfect for dogs who prefer a lighter option. Use carrots, pumpkin, spinach, and celery for a vitamin boost. Simmer them in water until tender, then strain. This soup is rich in fiber and antioxidants, great for digestion and immunity. Number 3. Chicken and rice soup. A gentle, comforting option, especially for dogs with upset stomachs. Cook boiled chicken breast, white rice, and a bit of carrot in low-sodium broth. It's easy on the tummy and provides protein and carbs for energy. Number 4. Fish broth. If your dog loves seafood, this one's a winner. Use white fish like tilapia or cod and simmer with a few veggies. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, great for a shiny coat and healthy skin. Number 5. Pumpkin soup. Pumpkin is loaded with fiber and beta-carotene, which support healthy digestion and vision. Mix plain pumpkin puree with a little chicken broth for flavor. Dogs love it, and it helps regulate their digestion. And there you have it, -5 delicious, vet-approved soups and broths your dog will absolutely love. Always remember, serve soups lukewarm, avoid seasoning, and consult your vet if your dog has allergies or special dietary needs. Like, subscribe, and share for more healthy dog recipes. Give your furry friends some warm love in a bowl today.
Life with my dogs.